Okay, I'm ready to take this trip. I think there is a good signal right now, so I'm gonna be waiting for an entry. So you can see I'm trading for uh, it's just 5%. It usually reduces as time goes on. So usually reduces. So this has reduced. I didn't even check. I was supposed to adjust the barrier offset, but anyway. So I'm going to leave this. So I'm going to be back when it. Okay, so I've made the trade and I've won the trade. You can see the movement. It has given me my profits. Although there is a pullback, it was supposed to actually form like resistance here, red and green, uh, but it later pulls back down. That gives me more confirmation that it's going to move. Okay, that it's going to move. So I'm going to wait for another one. Now you can see I'm only right now here. I'm just looking at the chart to trade. Right now, instead of you or any other person looking at the chart to do the same trade, you don't need to look at the chart. That's the more reason why I have. I don't think I have them on this page. Okay, I'm going to bring it out from another page where I can showcase the actual my website where you can get the same signal. Now, this same signal you see me trade right now is available there on the website. Is available on the website. Now, because I'm using laptop, I can easily trade it. Okay, no, sorry. Because I'm using laptop, I can easily uh, trade such. Okay, let me pause. Okay, so this is my website for the signal service. Now, this is one goes outside, right? This is one. This one is for goes outside, purely goes outside only. Now, I've already explained all the signals before, but the one you saw me trading is actually on the goes outside, red beer only. Very soon, I'm going to include red bull, okay, because both of them actually work the same way. Okay, both of them actually work the same way. So right now, uh, actually, before now, there was a signal that showed up, but I couldn't trade it because I wasn't ready for it. Even as I'm talking to you right now, there is another signal that could have traded, but uh, I'm not able to trade it. Why? Because I wasn't ready for it. Okay, so those ones are set of low bars. You can see the chart, right? The chart is here. So I'm going to wait for another signal set or probably when it shows up, I'll be back to record it. I'm actually doing a trading session, and so far I've done three trades. Okay, I've done three trades. I have two more to go. Okay, because the percentage varies. Reason is because this guy is just, I was resting when it was below 1,000, so I couldn't trade that time. I always prefer when it's like 980, 9 something downwards. Once it's below this level, downwards. Right now, you see this level. Once it's below this level downwards, I like trading. That's when the percentage ratio is going to be high. But right now, the percentage ratio is not that much. Okay, it's not that much. It's the percentage ratio is just moderate. Okay, percentage ratio is just moderate right now. It's just moderate. So I'm going to trade it very soon. So once signal is available, I'm going. This signal, for instance, like the bot has traded. Okay, where is that bot? Okay, this one. It has traded. So far, profit has reduced. This profit was, we had one loss. Okay. So for those who are wondering, will there be losses? Yes, I have always been saying it, there will be losses, but it's going to be minimal. We've had only one loss. And out of that one loss, this is the loss. This is when we had the loss. Okay. Out of that one loss, actually so far it started at the beginning of the month, right? So we are still in profit. We are still in like $3 something cents, 3.5. We're still in like 3.5. So it's still going to continue trading till the whole month. Usually if it trades and catches 2x of the stake, it stops. Okay, it stops. And this one is actually trading real money. So the plan is to compound it every month. So it automatically compound itself every month. But connecting to other people is an issue for me. Okay, that's an issue. Actually, that's not the only bot that is working. There are other bots like this daily bot. I've not checked it for a while. So, okay, this daily bot had a loss here. I've not checked it for a while. Now, the reason why this guy had a loss was because during that period, I was upgrading my website and I've forgotten that I have not changed, I have not saved the value for this guy. Okay, because at the time he wasn't trading. So he started trading again. This, you can see all this period he wasn't trading. So he started trading back at this period. Now, what this one does is just compound trading. Whether win or lose, the compound trading. So I want to see how often. This loss, I was responsible for this loss. I can bet you. You can see the time it's traded, 1 p.m. Okay. Normally, before early morning, it would have done, once it can generate 6%, it would have done the trade. So this one is for compound trading. Then for the bot, we still have this one. It does, it has two versions. Okay, it has two versions. You can see the number of trades done so far, profit ratio so far. This guy started the same time with the compound. Okay, it has two versions is trading. One single trade, then two trades. It has one that it takes one trade. You can see the profits margin for the one trade home. So far, it has made like $7. They are trading with the same ratio. Then this one, two trades. This is the profit so far. So I needed to know which works best, doing two or one, doing two or one. So that's why I'm working on this guy. You will see the one that does two trades experience a loss. Okay, because if it's just one trade, this is so the one that does two trade, it's because these two trades would have been, the profit margin should have been higher than this one, but because he had experienced a loss, and the loss, I discovered the reason for the loss. There was something I was supposed to update on my signal page that I did not update due to multiple reviews. So I found out what caused it. There was a rule that was supposed to respect bar sizes, but this one wasn't respecting bar sizes. So that's what caused this loss. So these things allows me to understand what more I need to change, what more I need to balance. Um, I'm still waiting for signal. So when signal come, I'll complete my trading session for today.